the conversation between Joe Rogan, Eric Weinstein, and Terrence Howard. They spoke of the number 2 being unlike any other number. They were confused over Howard's opinion of 1 times 1 equals 2. Multiplication is the repeated addition of one number, but it is neither. I am no mathematician, but I can say in confidence that they are both wrong in their perspective. It is not math, but the reflection of creation, of life itself, the mystic rose. A reflection, a copy of the original. To copy that which was is the only way 1 can become 2. Although this can also be applied to a virus or bacteria, but still they are clones or copies of the original. A reflection is the opposite of what we see. Reality is what we see with our own eyes, but reality is defined by our mind. The light is reflected through our brains and serves to map out our reality. But we can only perceive 4% of the universe. Therefore, what we see is but a copy, a reflection of reality. You see, 1 times 1 can equal 2. If it is one reality with 2 perspectives, the realm we see and the true reality. I believe this is the true origin of Einstein's E equals mc squared, bent light. I must add the fact that we shouldn't be dabbling in such matters, as the origin of modern science is rooted in demonology. The lines between dark and light have been blurred.
Unless we can somehow channel the technology of interdimensional space beings.
Please never say those words.
Hey, look, the
Interdimensional space beings.
Interdimensional space beings. David Koresh didn't say extraterrestrial, he said interdimensional.
Yes, but Eric and David talk, and this is not fair to David Grush. David Grush knows that he's a physics BA. He knows he's not a PhD. He's repeating things that have been said to him. He had the presence of mind to try to give an example of what interdimensional might mean, and he used holography.
The origin of this demonology, this wisdom, is the Sumerian Akkadian culture leading to Babylonian. And over time, the light of this wisdom has been reflected throughout our cultures. Many of the warnings have been removed or altered, meaning the light was bent. But the words 1 and 2 have other meanings. In Sumerian Akkadian, the word ash, cognate with refers to 1 and is synonymous with the word curse, wish, desire, wolf, spider. And 2 means to exorcise, conjure, and to interfere. A curse is transferred, like a virus, conjured by 1 times 1. Alternatively, 1 times 1 equals 2. This is related to the Anunnaki, Mesopotamian spirits, thought to be interdimensional beings, who live in a realm overlapping our own.
Somehow channel the technology of interdimensional space beings.
Please never say those words.
Whose plan, according to the information, is to merge their realm with ours. 1 times 1 may equal 2, but equally 2 may become 1 when the invocation becomes a curse. The Lord of Light, the devil, cannot create. It can only copy. This is why Zu can also mean to mirror, and possibly why Lu, light bright shining, also means treachery, lies, and deceit, as our eyes deceive us. The realm in which we live, our reality, is not reality. 1 times 1 could equal 2. Genius means to simplify that which is complex. Genius comes from Latin, meaning a guardian deity or spirit which watches over each person from birth, also related to innate ability. Even the term genius is related to the watchers, which are deeply connected to my work. But here it represents 1 gate, and defined as 2 pillars, and the gatekeeper, Mashu, the twinned goat, and is a reflection of itself. 1 times 1 can equal 2. It is also the origin of the pi symbol. So I ask you, who do you believe?